Hi, I'm Grace Shaw Haberl, the Program Director for the MTEC SmartZone, and our nonprofit provides coaching and support to innovators and small new technology startup companies. We have coached over 255 companies that have subsequently raised $32 million in funding and created 415 jobs. What we've learned is in this upper Midwest region that we serve that there is a lack of pre-product pilot scale funding, especially for advanced materials and manufacturing companies and innovators. There's also a lack of pilot scale facilities that are open access test sites to help bring innovations from the lab into industrial practice. We saw this in the AMMP Accelerator, another MTEC program I run that was supporting research scientists with benchtop technologies that had difficulty getting started down the commercialization path. So what we propose at MTEC is a pilot scale resources program, PSRP, which is a one-to-one matching program that allows us and the innovator or small company to co-fund the procurement of testing standards, advanced materials, and manufacturing raw materials and prototyping resources, scale-up planning, and even introductions and pilot-scale projects with trusted partners by our MTEC team of industry experts. Thanks. I hope you want to learn more. Bye.